By beveling this 2x4 at just the right angle on both sides and boring out a hole at just the right place, this wine bottle holder counterbalances itself perfectly. String lights are mounted to the wall and then covered up with a cotton-like material to create the illusion of thunder, clouds, and lightning. Old wood pallets are stained and foam pads are covered with sewn-on fabric to create a cool wraparound bench for a deck. A tropical wall stencil kit is used to create the illusion of wallpaper with 3 different sized stencils, a few custom-made shades of gray, and a dense foam roller pad. After a coat of decorative render finish is applied to a wall, a faux grout line is glued and then topped with a red finish, only to be pulled off to reveal a fake brick wall. Stain is applied to this rubber graining tool template and then dragged across a table to create a faux wood grain finish. After using a laser level to ensure straightness, this DIYer maps out a design template with black duct tape and then adheres mirrors accordingly for a cool industrial look. Large pieces of wood that look like sand and cliffs, black pebbles, tinted resins, and a heat gun are used brilliantly to craft a table that mimics a black beach shoreline in Maui. Congrats! If you made it up until this point, luck is on your side. Make sure to click on the subscribe button to activate it in your life. What was once a boring nook is transformed into a garden sanctuary by framing out the floor and filling the nook in with decorative rocks, lights, and plants. Check this ambitious DIY couple trench out a circular lawn area, lay down cement blocks, and erect a rustic wood structure to create a groovy fire pit space. Watch this faux brick finish get made by this handyman that builds a custom roller frame using old PVC pipes and rubber washers. After measuring carefully and plotting out her walkway design, this DIYer traces the stones with spray paint trenches out the plots and drops the blocks in for a clean look. This craftsman makes a simple camping chair that relies on the counter tension between two 2x12 boards cut and bored perfectly to size. Watch this inventive DIYer create a faux leather finish on this old chair by smartly mixing house paint and fabric softener so that the mixture absorbs and doesn't crack. A plain old wall is first painted and then topped with individually cut slats of wood that are mounted with a nail gun. Varying mixes of dry and wet concrete are sculpted and poured into a mold created by 4 egg trays to craft a custom plant pot. $27,000 UK pennies are fastened to a concrete slab with beads of silicone and then topped with a high-grade epoxy for a smooth finish. This dude creates an easy stain jig 1.0 by mounting 2 roller frames in a vertical fashion that perfectly lets boards of wood quickly pass through and get stained. Watch this innovative gardener wrangle old water hose parts to transform a Coke bottle into a pinholed sprinkler that waters large pieces of land efficiently. Rather than throw out a pair of perfectly good chairs, this DIYer spray paints them and pops some stickers on for an arena chair vibe. This crafty DIYer places decorative templates over her dirty walkway and then power washes over them, only to reveal an amazing design. Plastic bags are packed with cement, smoothed out, and then arranged on a walkway to create a pebblestone finish. These books appear to be floating thanks to this unconventional bookshelf that suspends books of various sizes with looped ribbons fastened to a plank of wood bolted to the wall. After carving out panels of styrofoam to install a water pump, this fountain is custom coated with textured concrete for an amazing look.